Hello guys, I am back with 5 basic Maybelline must-have products. So let us begin the video. My 5 makeup essentials from Maybelline New York. So guys, these 5 basic products from Maybelline are my go-to makeup kit and I swear by these 5 products. So first in our list is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 115, and it is for normal to oily skin. This foundation gives me that really nice matte finish. My skin is kind of oily and I require a kind of foundation which gives me that matte finish, and this is the best foundation for me. Let me show you. It needs a very little amount. Hey guys, I have taken so much. Now blend it. You can blend it with your fingers or with a makeup sponge, and it just gets blended so quickly and so naturally in your skin that it gives you that nude makeup look. Now I am in love with this foundation, and I will really suggest you to buy this foundation if you want to have a nice nude kind of makeup on your face. Next on our list is this Maybelline mascara. Guys, I love this mascara. This mascara gives you that voluminous lashes and yet quite natural looking. It is waterproof, and you can see this in the camera. It is very useful even if you have not applied any kajal or eyeliner or eyeshadow. Just this mascara will do the best. Now next is the lipstick, and this shade is Clay Crush 656 Clay Crush, and this is a nude kind of lipstick. We show the shade. It's quite creamy yet very matte. You can also use this lipstick as your blush and eyeshadow, so you don't need to carry separately a blush or an eyeshadow. And these days the minimal makeup is in the trend, so this lipstick will work as an eyeshadow, blush, and of course it's a lipstick too. Now the next in our list is this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. So this powder comes with this sponge, makeup sponge, and if you have oily skin or summers are coming, so if you have oily skin and your skin texture gets oily quickly, and if you want to finish your makeup, this will come handy. Now last but not the least, this everyday makeup look will be incomplete if you have not applied this kajal. I love this kajal. This is quite creamy, and this kajal is not that jet black, but if you are using it for everyday makeup look, it will suffice. So I use it for my everyday makeup look. Now these 5 are the drugstore Maybelline New York products, and it will be better if you will use it for your everyday makeup look, whether you are heading for your office or your workplace, or making YouTube videos, or just a day out with your friends or your family. These 5 products will suffice your look, and yet it will give you that natural finish. My favorite among these are this foundation. Guys, I love this foundation. If you have oily skin or you are going to wear foundation for a long period of time, this is the best foundation for you. It is best for value, and its price is very nominal compared to kind other similar foundations in the market. And the second number, this mascara. I love this mascara, and if you have applied this mascara, it will give that voluminous look, that as if you have applied false eyelashes. And I swear by this mascara, even if I am not wearing any kajal or eyeliner, I just put this mascara and I am good to go. Now this lipstick, I just use this lipstick as blush, eyeshadow, and of course I use it as lipstick, and this suffice all these things. And I think these two are the extra products. If you want to create a different kind of look, you can apply kajal with this mascara, and it will give you that kohl kajal look, and your eyes will look so bright and shiny. Now you can finish your makeup and your look with this compact powder, and you can carry this compact powder in your purse for a little bit touch up on the go. So guys, these were my 5 basic drugstore products from Maybelline New York. I hope this video helps, and in any case, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. And I will be back with another video which will be based on eye makeup and essentials in eye makeup. Thank you.